My name is Reverend Do Wrong, and I'd like to welcome you and your family to fellowship with us at Keep It Real Church of Players, AME, located in Cashville, Tennessee, where the preachers preach, the deacons teach, the ushers sleep, and the secretary creeps. Our Sunday school service starts at 11 a.m. Our regular church service starts at 1 p.m. and sometime ends at 6 p.m. Now I bet you are thinking, why in the world are they in church that long? Not only that you get full of the Word of God, but you get full of the food. Yes, that's right. We serve food every Sunday during church service. Our first Sunday we have chitlins, pig feet, neck bones, turnip greens, macaroni and cheese, hot water cornbread, and fruit tea. Our second Sunday we have fried chicken, chicken and dressing, pork chops, fried okra, baked beans, hot water cornbread, and fruit tea. Our third, fourth, and sometimes fifth Sundays we have leftovers. So don't be a stranger and keep it real.